Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
First launch Lightroom Classic CC, you will see the main image display area in the center of the screen with panels to the right and to the left. Along the bottom of the screen you'll also see the film strip area. Before you import photos into Lightroom Classic CC, this film strip area will appear blank. At the top left of the screen you'll see the menu bar. At the top right of the screen you'll see a group of module buttons labeled Library, Develop, Map, Book, Slideshow, Print, and Web. Lightroom Classic CC uses modules to organize its various tools. Each module provides tools used for a specific aspect of photographic workflow. For example, the Library module is used to import, organize, compare, and select photos. The Develop module is used to adjust color and tone and otherwise creatively process photos. We'll learn more about the specifics of the different modules as the course progresses. For now, it's important to understand that each module includes different panels and options related to a specific portion of workflow. By clicking the various module buttons at the top of the screen, you can easily move from one module to the next.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.